I don't even know where to begin. I love how my cat's using the shitter right now. Mood. Oh god, that was not.
Glad you're back with your bitch. I mean, who would wanna hide this? I will
Never, ever, 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 ever be your side chick. I put this thing in single. I literally.
My stomach is actually warm.
From the tequila.
From the tequila?
Maybe you should just be there for moral support, and I should just man the fuck up and talk.
What I've been saying. Jamie, oh my god, you're gonna take a shot in the middle
Of what?
your video.
That's the point. I'm doing a drunk. It's not like a secret drunk video.
My moral support for her.
Oh my god, it gets worse as it warms up. Tart, sea glass, and never successfully done that before. And I guess it won't be anytime soon. It's in Life's a Beach. Ugh, I don't know if this is gonna turn out good.
What you always say?
Are you here to support me or attack me? We're gonna do the same with the other. And maybe it'll come together in the end. I don't know if I'm making this look worse or better. Like no dimension or detail. Like I literally just like rushed through it. I guess that's what happens when you're drunk. You don't take your time. I've literally never done my makeup drunk before. Did you know that?
No.
I've never done it before. I can't tell if the shape's even similar or close. This is the reason why I do my foundation second. It's because I'm such a mess with my eye looks. Looks like I'm taking another shot. I am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. I put it in a little container so I can dip and brush. I literally look like a ghost. I don't think this is my shade. How do I do this? My ass is sweating so bad.
Like a Russian doll.
I literally look like a clown right now. But it's okay. I need another shot.
Again?
Why do you think it's okay to judge me?
I don't.
This is not my normal highlighting brush, but this is not a normal day, so. I'm using my eyebrows. I'm using my eyebrows. I'm doing my eyebrows. And I mix this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade. And I just kind of like, oh, I don't do that. Brush, and we're gonna go with some pinkity, frickin' drunkity. And then we will use, we're gonna use Skip. And then some pinkity drunkity. I thought I knew what it was called. I guess I didn't. How do you guys feel about DeLuca and Meredith Grey? I need to know. That just made me feel really drunk. Ow! Just pinch my eyeball. Got really dizzy.
What?
Been recording for so long. I think I want to poke my eyeball. Holy fuck, this is hard. Oh. God. What the hell? I don't even know how to line my lips when I'm drunk. I could do that in my sleep. But I'm gonna say, what's more faded, me or my hair? You tell me. This is honestly a terrifying makeup look. I have to pee. I need new nostril. Let's end it with one more. Oops. Just spilled that everywhere. I guess thanks for watching.